Hi, I'm Ryan Wilden. I'm the U.S. Technical Sales Director for INOGENI, and we are here at InfoComm 2025. And I'm excited to introduce you to our new U-Bridge 3 wall plate. The U-Bridge 3 has been very successful for us as a USB 3 extender, but at the show we're introducing our wall plate version, which allows you to extend cameras and devices to a host laptop or PC over 100 meters of Cat 6A cable. So this device will essentially allow you to mount it behind the camera. It will feature RS-232 pass-through. It's powered from the host end, so you connect the host up behind a table or anywhere in the room with power. It will extend power to the wall plate to allow you to connect those USB 3.2, 3.1, and 3.0 devices to a host or room PC laptop. This device is going to MSRP for $995 and start shipping in July. And if you'd like more information, you can find out more at inogeni.com.